Alright, we are live on Twitch, and we'll just give it a second for YouTube because it is slow. Okay, awesome. Good morning, everyone. It is wonderful Monday. The rabbit is throwing stuff. She's in a playful mood. And I don't know if you can hear that. I get it. You can. Oh no. Yeah, we're looking at you. Freaking punk rabbit. You done yet? No? Okay. Alright, thanks, Quash. Alright. Yeah, so anyway. Good morning, everybody. It's another wonderful pre-work stream. Today is going to be a little bit shorter because I have to go get some blood drawn. Fun stuff this morning. So I am going to not be drinking any sort of caffeine or anything. I'm supposed to fast and just drink some water. So we got our water, first sip of the day. I gotta put on some like chapstick or something. My lips are really chapped. So yeah, I don't have my headphones on today too because I just did my hair. I just did my hair. No, there we go. Yeah, I just put product in my hair, so it's all made up. But this is like the first stream I've done in a while without the headphones just on, so I am having to talk at like a totally different volume to hear myself. It's crazy. It actually totally changes the like the vibe of me sitting here chatting to myself. It's really weird. Anyway, that's all incredibly uninteresting to you. So we are going to go in and do what the stream title says. It's Supabase time. Well, I leaked that, but I think this is supposed to be like the public URL anyway. So let's not worry too much about that. And I think we're gonna need to pull up the Supabase Swift doc again. Because it is time. We gotta we gotta go do something here. Developers, document integration. Let's see. I want Swift. Where did it go? Start Supabase with AI prompts. Yeah, I could do that. That could be me. All right, here we go. Yes, we got the package. We got that. Okay, so fetch data. So maximum 1,000 rows. Okay. So let's try to do a push. No. Yes. So let's see here. So does it have to be encodable? Encodable, decodable. Maybe. I don't know. All right, well, let's try this. So let's just add like another button here somewhere. And this button, is, why is it not like that? Oh, okay, let's take out the struct definition. Just cram it up here. We can take that out as well. Cannot find Supabase in scope. let's see here. Client, I guess we called it. Return it. So that's what it actually turns into, as like a squealy looking syntax. Oh, this is way too zoomed out, and now it's like right underneath me. So let's see. Try await Supabase. Am I missing something here? Because this is supposed to be like the, it's gotten mad at me already that I don't have a Supabase initialized, right? Trailing closure passed to type button that does not accept the closure. So, do I have to like define this as a function? I'm not sure why it doesn't like that, and I think I'm gonna need to ask my friend Mr. Grok here. Let's see. So. Let's see. Yes, they are very common. Okay, yeah, so that is... Alright, so... Yeah, that's a little goofy that they just named it something different in that part of the doc. Fine. I am cool just leaving that as some global right now. Okay, so my current code... Button already takes a trailing closure. That's the action block. Right? So what the hell does that mean? So I just wrap it in this try or in this task. Okay. Let's see if the LFP is just wrong. Alright, it doesn't look like it's it doesn't look like it like that still. It's very hard to tell. This Swift compiler. Yeah, that looks wrong. Okay. So that clearly didn't. Oh, I have to make that. No. Oh, now it's fine. Okay. All right. Well, if you really want no task wrapper, look, I actually like all of these things look even worse, and that does look like a task wrapper to me. Oh, there we go. All right, let's see. Let's try it out. Now this is going to like bail out because I don't think there is no instruments table, but that's fine. Let's see. If we look in Supabase, I'm gonna pull this off to the side here for a second. I don't want anything. I don't want anything showing up. I don't want to. Let's see. Security, performance. Where do I see the tables? So, let's see. I don't have a. All right. It doesn't really look like that posted into anything. I don't have a table called instruments. So we'll try. We have one called users, and we will insert like let's see. We will make something here. We will make a list test object. Yeah, fine. ID name. So I got name. Category string. List item. I think that. All right, I don't think I need that. This is not really. All right, fine. And then we will let test foo equals test object ID1 name ukulele, fine. Category instrument. All right, how about that? Okay. Test foo. Okie dokie. So I guess let's try that. Yeah, this build does take an awfully long time for a UI app with like 30 lines of code in it. Let's see. So test. I click the button. Did that add something? I am not seeing anything added in here. I am not seeing anything at all. Let's see. So that is insert data. That was the insert data example. Okay, so not this fetch one. Because there's no data. Create a record and return it. Response. I guess I can add like an async, or I can figure out how to show that it was correct here. Just right now, I don't have visibility into what it is doing when I press that button. It's because it's clearly not posting. You know, I think I can show this. Yeah, it's clearly, it did not create an entry. If I hammer on it though, oh, enable real time. Is that mean what I think it means? No, well, it's not, yeah, it's not getting in there. What the hell? Alright, let's see what the hell's going on here. No row appears. Row level security. Okay. Don't. Oh yeah. Should we look at the logs on here? Logs. Insert source. Auth logs maybe? Or what am I looking at? Is this not just all the logs? This is, I have to query the logs? That's fucking annoying. So I would like to know, like, what happened? What happened here? Okay, I have to run. I found expected. Okay. No results found. Well, that sucks. No. Errors maybe? Oh, error. New row violates row level security. Ah, haha. Oh, there we go. Okay, so how do we fix that? Add RLS policy. Let's disable that for now. I'm sure that's a good idea. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. We posted to the backend. Oh. All right, awesome. Well, that's cool. That's something. So what do we want to do from here, from this point? Not make it that big. I think. And what do we kind of like want the model of this to be? Just like the stupidest thing. Yeah, the stupidest version of this is just like whenever I create a task, right, in the app, that's when it goes in and adds something to the table, which I think we could do that. We could batch them, so after someone is done kind of like editing their tasks and stuff, or maybe create a queue in the back. These all sound very complicated. This all sounds very complicated for the stupid version. So I think we'll go with the stupid version. And then to be able to push stuff into it, and then but then we need to have some way of grabbing it back down. So we do need still a way to like associate this with a user. So how do I do that? Here we go. So let Supabase. Okay, let's try this auth. Oh, first let's commit that. Okay. All right. So UI kit app lifecycle. Is this anything useful? What is going on in here? In your app delegate.swift. Okay. What the hell does that mean? Because this is looking like it's not going in these stupid scenes here. So because we haven't really done anything with this one in a while. Scene delegate.swift. What the hell is scene delegate.swift? Oh, rabbit's making noises again. Yeah, I have no idea what it's talking about. Like, where do I stick this thing? All right, let's just hold on for a second. So by default, user needs to verify their email. Turn it off. Okie dokie. How do I do the site URL by default? If signup called for an existing confirmed user, okay. Listen to auth events. Alright, so yeah, I'm kind of familiar with some of this crap. This code really looks very similar to in Clerk. Create an anonymous user. Okie dokie. Sign in with ID token. Okie dokie. OTP. Alright, fine. All this junk in here. Sign out a user. Okay, well, this is not real. Like, we actually do want a table just called users. That is not where we're publishing crap into. That's not where that would go. So, name. Do you think this has like an automatic schema for the? I don't know what that means. Auth users. So yeah, so this has a bunch of stuff here. So Supabase auth has its table to track all this crap. So I don't have to do that. But how do you think it automatically is putting guys in there? It's possible. I just do not know. I just couldn't tell you. Okay, so let's try to figure out where we put this crap. I just went way too far. Okay, here we go. So, where the hell is this supposed to go? How do you set up? Okay. Yeah, so we have the package. Yep. We got the client. People wrap it as Supabase config. Okie dokie. Whatever. Alright. Auth view model. So what is happening here? So they define a bunch of stuff here. I don't know what a view model is though. Use insert UI view. Okay. View model equals auth view model. What the fuck does that mean? Riddle me that. Okay. Okay, here we go. So this secure field. Okay. So then they just have a bunch of buttons. View model dot sign up. And what is that like doing? Try await. So yeah, but where is this? Is this handling deep links? Am I supposed to have any of this crap or no? On open URL. Look, yeah, let's not do that. Oh, fuck. Oops. Alright, well, let's grab another button, I guess. Oh, whoops. Alright, let's see if that works at adding a user. Does not look like it added a user. Yeah, that's fine. Let's look at the logs, I guess, again. I want to see errors. Errors, new row level security policy for. What time is it? No, that's not it. Auth audit logs. Okay, that looks possible. User confirmation requested. Okay, look, yeah, that's what we passed in. So did that like what did that do? Auth audit event. Oh, it's invalid. Oh, interesting. Sign up request completed. Oh, cause this was doing the confirmation, right? So we can disable that. So how do I disable that? Disable confirm email in your project. Okay. Where do I disable that? I think I need to pull this off to the side. Not seeing API, no. Signing key, no. Where do I manage this? Oh, authentication? Could be. No users in my project. Yeah, I know. Oh, here we go. Confirm sign up. Oh, look, I can actually write the email in here. Okay, that's cool. Um, that's not quite right. Right. Policies. Allow new users to sign up. Confirm email. No. Okay, so let's try that again. Let's try here. That's not what I want. To do add user. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Oh, ooh, look at the encrypted password. Oh, no, we probably don't want to look at that. Okay, cool. So, all right. Okay, what do we do now? So, all right. So yeah, we didn't need to do all this shit, I guess. That's fine. Yeah, at some point the flow is going to change, or I'm not going to be just launching into there. And we'll go through the like a splash screen sign up crap, right? I have to drink more water before I get my blender on here. Okay, so where is all this stuff? So what is like the model? What is the pattern I am supposed to use? Like, what is identity? I'm not really sure what that means. Like how do I update a user's like or associate data with the user? Should I just do it based on the user UUID? Is that like how I do it? Because I'll have some kind of big table here. This big table is going to have everything in it. But then that's not really secure, right? No. I actually do not know anything about this. So let me, because the rest of this crap is all just like actually dealing with the dealing with authentication. I don't really care about that right now. Storage, I don't need that. Maybe it's like, so because the session is going to tell you if you're like the user's like still valid signed in, right? All right. I think that's probably going to be it for today. Yeah, it is. This is like a short one, but I really do have to get ready. I gotta get going soon. So let me just make sure if there's anything else in here. Create user with Supabase auth button. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys have an excellent day. Tomorrow, hopefully, will be a normal size stream, and I'll have looked into the Supabase a little bit more. So, yeah, have a good one.